How to make money on TikTok by posting motivational quotes. Hi, I'm your host Jason, and in this video I'll be showing you step by step how you can start making money on TikTok without showing your face or using your voice. I'll be showing you examples of channels that are currently doing this, and I'll be showing you how to recreate this and start making money on TikTok right now. As you can see right here, I'm currently on TikTok and I did a quick search of motivational daily quotes, and here is a channel that I'll use for an example in this video. The channel name is Daily Quote 3, and as you can see right here, they mostly post videos and also still pictures with quotes over it. All they do is simply download either royalty-free videos from a site by the name of pixel.com or Pixabay, which you can use to download royalty-free videos, meaning you won't get a copyright strike or anything like that. Or they either get their videos from Instagram and then repost them with a few motivational quotes running across it, and that's it. So you may be wondering, how is this TikTok channel making money? Well, if you should tap on this link right here, their Linktree link, it will lead you to this page on which they are promoting both a cost per action link right here. So once you tap on this link and go into it, it will ask you to enter your email. And for every email that you enter, the creator of this TikTok channel will be getting $2 to $5. And if you choose to fill out a survey, they will be getting even more. And right here, they also have an Amazon link. So if you should tap on this and purchase anything on Amazon for the next 30 days, they'll get a commission as the cookie will be stored on your device. And you can also see that they are using the YouTube. They are trying to promote their YouTube channel and also another affiliate link. So I'll be showing you how to do this. The first thing you'll want to do is create a TikTok channel, and you'll simply want to create it in the motivational niche, although you can use any niche, but for this example we'll be using the motivational niche. And you'll go on Google and you'll Google motivational quotes, and you'll simply want to copy the motivational quotes, and then you're going to go onto pixels.com. And you can use beach videos, you can use landscape videos, or pick videos of persons working out. You simply want to download these videos and then upload them onto TikTok with the quotes running across it. You'll use the quotes as subtitles, and that's it. Now to start making money. After you have posted a few videos, you will start getting views. And to turn those views into money, what you'll need to do is go onto this website right here, omnilink.iconsquare, as you can see right here, and you want to sign up. After you have signed up to that website, you're going to go onto another website that you're going to use to make money. It's called affplus.com, and this is the website that is going to pay you. affplus.com, as you can see right here, they have numerous offers from affiliate offers to cost per action offers, and that's what you are going to be using, CPA offers. So by posting one of these links, and a person should choose to tap on that link, one of your followers on TikTok or one of your viewers, and they simply put in their email address, you'll be able to make $25, as you can see right here, depending on the offer you choose. And I would recommend that you choose quite a few offers, as you want to create more than one link, as this channel did right here, so you can make even more money. And I would also recommend that you sign up to Audible if you decide to do the motivational quote example, as even if a person decides to do the free trial on Audible, you'll still be receiving $5 once the person uses your link. And you could also do Amazon affiliate marketing also by promoting a product, just like the example right here. So once a person goes onto Amazon and makes a purchase within 30 days, you'll get a commission. But back to OmniLink. OmniLink, now you'll simply sign up to OmniLink, and after you have finished signing up to OmniLink, you'll be led to a page just like this, and it's completely free. And from here, you simply want to paste your links, as you can see right here. So I would recommend that you paste between 3 to 4 links. So you would do the CPA link from AF Plus, you could do 2 CPA links, you could also add the Audible link, and you could add the Amazon link. So that those would be 5 links. And in turn, you would create a page just like this. And after you have created a page just like this, you will leave the link in your description, as you can see right here. And all you have to do is continually post motivational videos. And while you're posting your motivational videos, majority of the persons that come on your page, they're obviously interested in motivational quotes and so on. So more than likely, they will like to read a book on Audible about motivation or overall life. And once they do that and go onto Audible, sign up for a free trial, you'll be earning $5 per person that sign up. Or if they decide to tap on your CPA link, you'll be making $25 or so on. For them getting a completely free offer again, you'll be making $25. This is one of the best ways to make money on TikTok, one of the quickest and easiest ways. Not only does it work in the motivational niche, but it can work in any niche. If you would like me to do other videos on how to make money on TikTok, please let me know in the comment section, and I will try to find other ways. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.